How can manufacturers overcome today's biggest roadblocks? The manufacturing industry is evolving rapidly, but it's not without its hurdles. Today, we'll dive into the top challenges and how you can overcome them to stay ahead. Challenge 1. Outdated technology. Many manufacturers struggle to keep up with advancements in automation, AI, and IoT. Solution: gradually invest in automation and smart technologies. Start small and scale up to modernize processes without disrupting operations. Challenge 2. Sustainability. Customers and regulators are demanding eco-friendly practices, and manufacturers need to adapt. Solution: embrace green manufacturing practices. Reduce waste, optimize energy use, and switch to sustainable materials to meet growing expectations. Challenge 3. Intense competition and fluctuating markets. Global competitors and economic instability can impact profitability. Solution: differentiate your offerings through quality and customization. Use market data to anticipate trends and adjust strategies proactively. Challenges like technology, sustainability, and competition may seem daunting, but with smart strategies, the manufacturing industry can rise to new heights. The future is full of possibilities. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts on these challenges in the comments below.